Hi, this is Lori from Schutt Log Homes again, and we're going to take another little peek at our hybrid timber frame home. Walking into the mudroom here, you can see that the walls are finished, ceiling is finished, flooring is finished. We have a hot water heater and a water filter, and things are really moving along. We're ready for washer and dryer. They're not here yet, they will be soon. The water heater and water filter will be in their own little space. It's going to be closed off at some point that just hasn't gotten finished yet. And so we're going to walk into this gorgeous kitchen. Oh my. Cabinets are in. We're waiting on the granite countertops. They should be here in the next week or so. The flooring is done. It is covered up, just trying to protect the tiles some. Cabinets are in. Appliances, for the most part, are in. And things are moving along. You can get a really good idea here of how big this kitchen is. It is massive. What a great space for entertaining, for huge families. It can accommodate so many people. It's a 10-foot island. You don't see that very often. That is a really cool feature. This home has a very large kitchen, but it also has a very large, very open, and very usable front room. This is guest room 1, and it is pretty much complete. The 2 bedrooms are the same size. They're large rooms with large closets. There's some trim work to be done back here, and pretty much, this room is done. And we'll walk over, and this is the guest bath. It's lacking a vanity, and that's about it, and some trim. And this is a decent sized bathroom for a guest bath. And then we're gonna step over here, guest room number 2. And you can see these are really nice size bedrooms. They can easily hold a queen size bed, dresser, and then the large closets are really nice in guest room. So they're just almost considered a walk-in closet. They're so large. Let's take a walk over here to the master bedroom. Remember, this house is under construction, and the master bedroom is kind of turned into the storage spot. It's pretty much finished other than flooring and trim, and it is a big room. And now we're going to take a peek in the master bath. This tile turned out fantastic. You can see it's going to have a large walk-in shower. The vanity, a double vanity, is going to eventually come over here. The floor tile is finished. This bathroom has a large walk-in closet back here. It's kind of hard to show how big and nice it is. Thanks for walking through with me one more time, checking out our hybrid timber frame home here at Schutt Log Homes. I'm enjoying showing you our progress. If you have any questions, give us a call or check us out at oakcabins.com. What a great way to finish up here with the view of this massive, gorgeous kitchen. Thanks for joining me, and I will be back with more updates soon.